Enhance your natural curves.
Okay, let's do a commercial for Lamborghini sports car. Then basically what I need for this particular commercial is my ChatGPT and my Google Gemini. Then to write a very good JSON prompt for this, let me go to the template I've crafted before now. Then this particular template is a prompt asking guide for ChatGPT to give us a very good prompt for our commercials and our cinematic car reviews for this our Lamborghini sports car. Then basically what you are going to do is this. Look at this JSON Google Veo 3 prompt. Then if you look at all of these things, is basically a template. Once you go to any of this particular one now, then you copy one of these commercials, paste it in your ChatGPT. Then those areas where they write product name, then you replace it with that particular product you want to do the commercials for, right? Then for the sake of this particular commercial, this first one is please make a full structure JSON master add prompt for my product, then product name. Then over here you wipe this product name and replace it with that your product name, which is Lamborghini sports car. Then this is basically number one. Then number two is this is basically another different style of commercials. Then this number two is please make a full structure JSON master add prompt for my product. Then this is product name. You replace this particular product name with that your Lamborghini sports car or whatever product you are making the commercials for. Then number three is this universal idea to review cinematic prompt. This is car. You can basically use this for car reviews or product reviews. Then this also is JSON format style 4. Make a full structure JSON master add prompt for my product, then product name. Then inside this product templates are the guides for these particular commercials. If you look at this thing, you find out that this first one has the content inside. It is going to give you this particular product prompt with respect to this guide within this particular template. Then over here is this. Look at the second one. It's going to bring it out in sequence. This is sequence number 1. What will happen from 000 seconds to 1 second. In sequence 2 is what will happen is from 1 second to 2 seconds. Then sequence 3 is what will happen in 2 seconds to 6 seconds. Then sequence 4 is what will happen in 6 seconds to 8 seconds. And basically the maximum output for Veo 3 is 8 seconds, right? All of these templates is written with respect to Veo 3 and Google Gemini. Then if I want to do any commercial with this, I'll basically go to MS Word, where I have converted this to Microsoft Word. Then this is master Veo 3 JSON prompt for easy copying and editing. Then I'll basically go over to display. Look at this one. This is another JSON prompting style 2. This is style 3, this is style 4, and this is style 5 for these commercials, right? Then if I go over to this, let me check car reviews. Please make a full structured JSON master add prompt for my products. I think I'm going to use this cinematic prompt. I'll copy it from here. Then please make a full structured JSON master for my product. Then I'll go down and copy it to this place. Then copy. Then back to my ChatGPT. This is my ChatGPT. I'll now paste it here. If I scroll up, I'm going to see this place now. They wrote product name. Is where I'm going to clean and add my Lamborghini sport car, right? After this, I will now send go. This is the JSON prompting. Then product name is Lamborghini sports car. The idea, the bet of speed, but you can basically edit the content of this ad if you don't like it like that. Then idea is the bet of speed, right? Then format is mystery and review. Container, floating upside down coupe with golden mold cracks. Futuristic hangar lit by pulsating neon light and drifting smoke, right? This is basically for car reviews. Then scene 1, what will happen in scene 1 is a massive obsidian cube hovers mid-air, surrounded by swirling mist and faint reflection of neon light. Then the camera movement for this is slow orbit around the cube, cinematic zooming as particles float through the air. Then camera, slow orbit around the cube, cinematic zooming as particles float through the air. Then this is another scene again. Close up inside the cracks, streaks of molten gold reveals glimpses of a sleek metallic foam beneath. Then this is the camera, and this is basically the scene 2. So if you go through all of these scenes and camera movements, visual styles and everything, and it is not as you want it to be, you can basically tell ChatGPT to re-edit it for you, or you can basically copy it, go to your MS Word and edit it. If I copy it from here, I'll basically go to, this is Microsoft Word, click here and can cancel to this program, click over here, open new document, then paste this particular guide. So if I'm reading through all of these things, whichever one I don't like, I can basically edit it and add my own. Or you can tell ChatGPT to re-edit it for you and add the concept or the idea you have in the commercials. But for the sake of this, I'm going to copy it like this. Then since I've copied it, I'll go to my Gemini. This is my Gemini, right? Then I'll now go to create video, then paste the commercials, the one I copied from ChatGPT, right? Because the one I copied from the template will not basically work in this. This is create video. Those ones create text and prompts, right? This is basically for creating videos, and it won't work over here if you paste it. I'll now click on go, right? So it is going to give me any type of commercial based on this this text based on this prompt over here. So that is why it's always good, if anytime you want to make your commercial, make sure you go through all these things that ChatGPT gave. If you don't like it, then copy it, paste it to your Microsoft Word and re-edit before you now paste it here. Make sure you read through from the first letter to the last letter of this prompt and see if it is what you actually wish to do the commercials for. Then you can basically understand that this is actually a code, and once you made a mistake in this code, so maybe you remove any curly braces or comma or full stop here, the code may not actually work as you want it to be. So make sure while editing the code, make sure you zoom it very well and do it. If you can't do it with your phone, you can basically use your laptop or your PC to do the editing, then paste it in your Gemini or Google Veo 3, and that's how all of these things works. Then let's now wait for our ads to their video to finish generating. Then Gemini said, I am generating your video. This could take a few minutes, so check back to see when your video is ready, right? So it's not going to take time, maybe 1 to 2 minutes it will generate the whole video. Then remember, all of this thing is basically 8 seconds, then your video is ready, right? Look at the car reviews here. So everything in this particular everything in this prompt is what it gives us over, so it's not going to be new to us. Look at the car reviews here, right? The bet of new speed, Lamborghini, right? Look at how these things basically work. It's basically maybe a car review is for Lamborghini new product, right? Then this is it and how it works. The bet of speed, Lamborghini.